Hi, I'm JP Kaywood, author and certified meditation teacher, and today we're going to go over proper posture during meditation. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to sit on a chair, in lotus style, and on a meditation bench, so that no matter where you are physically, you can find something that works for you. Now, because I'm pregnant right now, I'm going to have my lovely assistant Lee take us through it.
The first setup we'll take you through is with the chair. Now, this is great for anybody with any physicality. It's very simple, and you can really do it in pretty much any comfortable chair. Now, you're going to want to sit kind of at the edge of the chair, or at least at the middle, so that your back isn't slouching into the chair. You want to keep your spine erect, but following the natural curve of your spine. You're going to keep your feet flat on the floor and grounded. Chin parallel to the floor. Pull your shoulder blades together slightly to open your heart and avoid slouching. In order to find that eye line, let's go ahead and put your thumb out, raise it to the crown of your head, and look there. That's where your gaze should be uplifted, even when you close your eyes. Your eyes should never be strained. Gently place your hands where your thigh meets your abdomen. Now, in lotus style, you'll want to use some cushions to help raise your buttocks higher than your knees. This will help you keep your posture without much strain. You're going to want to pinch your shoulders back a little bit, opening your heart. Chin parallel to the floor. Hands gently at the place between your abdomen and thigh. Again, to find that eye posture, put your thumb out and raise it to the crown of your head. Gaze at your thumb and then close your eyes. There you're gazing at the point between the eyebrows, but without strain. My favorite way to sit in meditation is with a meditation bench. With the bench, your buttocks are automatically higher than your knees, which helps create that natural upright spine. Let's find that eye posture again. When you keep your gaze uplifted, you raise the energy through your spine and to your brain. Gently place your hands where your thigh meets your abdomen. If this is uncomfortable, you could use a pillow or blanket here as well. Chin parallel to the floor. Pull your shoulder blades together slightly to open your heart and avoid slouching.
One of the most common questions I get from meditation students is about lying down during meditation. Of course, that's very comfortable, right? But it's not the best way to do it by any means, because first and foremost, meditation is active, not passive. So if you're lying down, it's very easy to fall asleep and not have that active concentration. It also doesn't utilize your spine and raising the energy through your astral spine and to the brain, which proper upright posture gives you. So I really strongly recommend that you do not lie down during meditation, and instead you try one of these upright positions. If you have any other questions, drop me a comment and I will try to follow up. And I hope this helps you get started on your meditation practice.